So guys, this is still me here at the Love Garden. You can see the Love Garden around. You can see everywhere. You can see this is Love Garden, Imo State University. So you can see how I'm chilling. You can see everywhere. You can see this is Love Garden, Imo State University. So if you are from this state and you are from Imo State or from Owerri or even from other states that you don't know Imsu, this is Imsu, and this is their Love Garden. Do you know Love Garden? A place that the students can come and relax. See how everywhere is bushy. See how everywhere is bushy. So guys, make sure you do stay tuned. I'll be taking you around everywhere, guys. Make sure you do stay tuned and let's go. Let's keep on going, guys. I love you guys. So this is me at the Love Garden, Imo State University. So guys, I'll be dropping the video. Make sure you do like this video. Make sure you do subscribe. So we are at the Love Garden that leads to the up school side. You can see it leads to up school. So guys, I will also be going down to the down school. This side now, you will go down to the down school. From there, you go to the other gate side. So please make sure you do like this video and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. I keep on loving you guys for all you have done, by following me and engaging with my channel. So guys, everything that you will see in this video is live and real. So let's go. So guys, this is the Love Garden, Imo State University. So guys, we'll be going inside from here now, from the up school up there down inside the Love Garden. Man, everywhere is now bushy, but the place still look good and the environment still cool, but the grasses are too much. So guys, this is the Love Garden, Imo State University. Guys, see, this is Imsu Love Garden. This is the canteen and the Love Garden where they sell foods and snacks. If you are familiar with this place, you will know this place. So this is the canteen. This is the place they call Love Garden in Imsu. So I make it the out time, today to vlog this place. And for people that have been following me on my channel, you have seen my Imsu videos that I posted. This is the canteen and the Love Garden where students come to eat. So this Love Garden is a place where people relax, after lecture or before lecture or after school. You just come out here, relax. Everywhere looks good, the greeny part of it. But the grasses now is too much. When we are here, the grasses, they normally cut it. But now you can see everywhere it's really bushy. So guys, this is Love Garden, Imo State University. So I'm still exploring to know how this place still is. This is the Imo State University Love Garden. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video. There is a lot of people that have schooled here that want to see this video. It has been long. They came to Imo State or went to this place, this school. So they would love to see this video. Make sure you share it. Even though you don't know anybody that's have school here, but if you share it, somebody may see the video that have schooled in this place, in this Imo State University. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So we are still inside the Love Garden. I'm showing you how everywhere is. Man, this place is bushy now. This place is really bushy now. You can see the seats where people can sit down, interact, joke, study. Like you can see, review. You can stay here, review your papers before exam, things like that. So guys, this is Love Garden, Imo State University. We are still exploring this compound. Guys, this is day 3 of the explore that we are doing in Imo State University. This is the Love Garden. So guys, we are still going, guys. You can see, yeah, everywhere you can see. This is the Love Garden, Imo State University. They need to clear these bushes. They need to make this place look the way it used to be. You see, everywhere grass have grown up, they are not maintaining it again. So guys, you can see this is the compound of Imo State University. So guys, I'll be going out now. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Thank you so much.